Hi lovelies, thank you all for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I am making Aponkye Nkrakra. Yes, this soup is one of my favorite soup, and trust me, you are going to love it at the end of this video. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, and while you're subscribing, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. So to begin with, I'm going to start by cooking my vegetables, which I will need 3 medium-sized carrots, 4 medium-sized fresh tomatoes. I will need 1 large onion as well, and I love pepper, and that's why I'm using a lot of pepper. Okay, you can use any amount that you prefer. Add some water to it and allow it to cook until it is soft enough to blend. Alright, so in a different pot, I'm going to go ahead and steam my meat, and I've washed this goat meat very well. So that I'm going to add in my chopped onions. I'll add in some pepper soup spice mix. I'll also add in some garlic and ginger paste as well, a salt to taste, and I'm going to add just a little bit of water to it to steam this very well. And I'm also going to need tomato paste. Okay, cover this and allow it to steam very well. So whilst that is going on, our vegetables is nice and ready. It's soft enough to blend, so I'm going to set this aside and blend until it is nice and smooth. Alright, so I am back to check on the meat, and it's looking all perfect right now, but the stock on the meat is looking a little bit watery. I want it to be very thick, and trust me, if you really want your soup to taste really good, then always make sure to steam your meat very well, or to allow the stock on the meat thickens up a little bit. That is how you're going to enjoy your soup. That is the secret to a tasty soup. Alright. So now after extra 10 minutes, look how thick the stock on the meat looks right now. That is how I want it. It's looking all juicy, and at this point the flavors was everywhere. This was smelling so good, and trust me, it was super tasty as well. So I'm going to add in my blended ingredients, which is the carrots, pepper, onions, and the fresh tomatoes, okay, which I cooked earlier on. Add a little bit of water to dilute this because we're making this light soup. Stir everything together and check if the salt is okay. If it's not okay, then you add in more. Okay, and so today I'm going to add in my Idan fruit or my Precocet to give the soup extra flavor. And if you are an Ashanti and you are watching this video, just give me high five in the comment section, because Ashanti people love to add Precocet to every soup they prepare because it gives it extra flavor and it takes the soup taste to another level. So roasting it like this brings out the sweet smell from the Precocet, and it's going to add extra taste to the soup as well. So I'm going to cover the soup for about 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes I'll open it halfway just the way I'm doing it and allow the soup to do its own thing until it is nice and ready. And since I love my light soup to be very hot and spicy, I'll go in with extra pepper. This is optional, okay? Cover it and allow it to do its own thing until the soup is ready. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are still watching this video at this point, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. While you're subscribing, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And now after extra 40 minutes of cooking the soup, it is ready. I love the color and it smells so good. So now all what is left is for us to serve and enjoy ourselves. I'll be enjoying this soup with my fufu. You can enjoy this soup with your banku rice. Any way you want to enjoy this kind of soup, enjoy yourself. Okay, and to my returning subscribers and new babies right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you've watched this video to this point as well, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Bye bye and stay blessed.